How does an AI even come up with this? I'll start by making the most compelling part of the game, the cleaning. I made the rooms that the player will need to clean, and they turned out great. Just look at that detail. Truly amazing. To tell the player what rooms to clean, I made a note that says, if you don't subscribe right now, I will find where you live and hire an attack gorilla from the dark web to beat you up. Just kidding. It says to clean room 1, 2, and 3, but at all costs, under any circumstances, do not enter room 4. You don't want to know what's in room 4. Next, I made a dirt texture that looks like my toilet after I eat 12 whole corn cobs. I scattered the dirt texture across the 3 rooms for the player to clean, and the more I look at it, the more it looks like someone unloaded their bowels all over the facility. So the player will need to clean up the dirt. It's definitely dirt, and can we just have a moment of appreciation for Al for creating this amazing gameplay? I have no idea how he came up with such a fun idea. Now that room 1, 2, and 3 are finished, if you can call this finished, it's time to work on room 4. The first thing I did was make a window so that the player can witness the horrific experiment taking place in the next room. Okay, there isn't an experiment yet, but there will be. Also, ignore the sky reflection in the window. I don't know why that's there, and I don't know how to fix it, so it's staying. It's a feature now. And now it's finally time to make the prisoner that will be grinded up. I decided to use one of the characters from my other games, except I don't really think it fits with the rest of the game, so I remade the character from the body of the facility guard, and I think it looks a lot better, but I will miss the old model. There's just something special about it. Anyway, then I used Unity's timeline feature to make a simple cut.